Come test drive the 2020 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.